Non-fungible tokens, also known as NFTs, have quickly become one of the most sought-after items in the cryptocurrency market over the course of the past few years. With billions of dollars worth of trading volume and a slew of celebrity endorsements, the digital artwork has been brought to the forefront of mainstream media outlets. You are able to mint, the act of making or producing anything, and submit your artwork on a blockchain if you use non-fungible tokens, which may be generated directly on non-fungible token platforms. This article will outline the specific actions you need to do in order to produce your first NFT, including where to put it for sale, how to upload your artwork, and which blockchain to use. Welcome to Crypto News. Today we are going to talk about top 5 best free crypto apps. Stay with us until the end of the video to learn more. Like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get notified of all the latest updates. Let's jump to the topic. What exactly is a non-financial transfer, and how may one be made? Non-fungible tokens, also known as NFTs, are digital assets that are stored on a blockchain and have their own individual identifying codes and information that set them apart from one another. Due to the fact that each NFT is a one-of-a-kind asset, it is not possible to trade one NFT for another. This is in contrast to cryptocurrencies. On the other hand, cryptocurrency is fungible and may be exchanged for other assets with the same value. It implies that the value of each Bitcoin is equivalent, making it possible for Bitcoins to be exchanged for one another. Digital works of art, like as photographs, animated films, or music, are most frequently utilized to symbolize non-fungible tokens, NFTs. On NFT platforms, buying and selling them is possible, and the payment method of choice is often cryptocurrencies. On a cryptocurrency exchange or a marketplace for non-fungible tokens that supports NFT minting one, it is possible to create a non-fungible token. Choose your option. Let's get the fundamentals out of the way first. If you haven't already done so, you'll need to figure out what one-of-a-kind digital asset you want to convert into a non-fungible token, NFT. It might be an original painting, photograph, piece of music, collectible item from a video game, meme, animated GIF, or even a tweet. An NFT is a one-of-a-kind digital artifact that belongs to a single person. The NFT value is determined by the item's rarity. Verify that you are the owner of any intellectual property rights associated with the object that you intend to transform into an NFT. Making an NFT for a digital asset that you do not personally own might land you in hot water with the law. 2. Pick your blockchain of choice. After you have chosen your one-of-a-kind digital asset, the next step is to begin the process of minting it into a non-fungible token, NFT. The first step in accomplishing this is figuring out which blockchain platform you want to employ for your NFT. Ethereum is by far the most popular choice among NFT artists and producers. Crypto, ETH. Tezos, Polkadot, Cosmos, and Binance Smart Chain are a few of the other prominent possibilities. 3. Set up your digital wallet. In the event that you do not already own a digital wallet, you will need to acquire one in order to construct your NFT. This is because you will be required to fund your initial investment with Bitcoin. The wallet will provide you access to your digital assets so that you may manage them. MetaMask, Math Wallet, Alpha Wallet, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet are some of the best NFT wallets currently available. After you have your digital wallet all set up, the next step is to go out and purchase some cryptocurrencies. Ether, the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum blockchain technology, is accepted on the vast majority of NFT sites. If you already have any cryptocurrency stored away in another location, you will need to link it to your digital wallet so that you may use it to buy and trade non-fungible tokens, NFTs. 4. Decide which NFT marketplace you want to use. As soon as you have a digital wallet and some cryptocurrency, it is time to start making your NFT, and, with any luck, selling it. You will need to select an NFT marketplace in order to accomplish this. OpenSea, Axie Marketplace, Larva Labs/CryptoPunks, NBA Top Shot Marketplace, Rarible, Super Rare, Foundation, Nifty Gateway, Mintable, and Theta Drop are a few of the most reputable and successful non-fungible token markets. In order to discover a platform that is a suitable match for your NFT, you will need to conduct research on each NFT marketplace. A good illustration of this would be the Axie Marketplace, which is an online store for the popular NFT game Axie Infinity. On the other hand, NBA Top Shot is a marketplace with an emphasis on basketball. It is also essential to keep in mind that certain markets necessitate the use of the marketplace's native coin. Rarible, for example, needs Rarible, crypto, Rari. OpenSea is typically a fantastic spot to begin exploring the sea. It is the market leader in terms of the sale of NFTs and gives users the ability to mint their own NFTs. Only in August 2021 did the NFT Marketplace generate sales of $3.4 billion worth of NFTs. After you have decided on your NFT Marketplace, you will have to link it to your digital wallet in order to use it. This will make it possible for you to pay the costs required to mint your NFT and keep any revenues from sales. 5. Publish your document online. You are currently at the point where you can finally mint your NFT. Your preferred NFT marketplace need to include a detailed tutorial on how to submit your digital file to their platform in a step-by-step format. Using that procedure, you will be able to transform your digital file, which may be in the form of a PNG, GIF, MP3, or another file type, into an NFT that may be sold. 6. Organize the steps of the sales process. The decision as to how you will make money off of your newly minted NFT comes at the very end of the process of minting NFTs. You may be able to, depending on the platform, sell it at a set price. If you choose to sell it at a defined price, you will make it possible for the first individual who is willing to meet that price to purchase your NFT. Create a timed auction by setting. Those who are interested in your NFT will have a limited amount of time to make their final offer if the auction is timed. Launch an auction with no reserve. An unrestricted auction doesn't impose a time restriction. Instead, you are in charge of bringing the auction to a close whenever you see fit. You will need to decide the minimum price, if you are going to have an auction, how much you will charge in royalties so that you may continue to profit from your NFT if it is resold on the secondary market, and how long you will run an auction for, if timed. When determining the minimum price, you should take into account any applicable fees, otherwise, you run the risk of incurring a loss from the sale of your NFTs. Regrettably, the costs involved in minting and selling an NFT may be both complicated and expensive. You may be required to pay a transaction charge, a commission on the sale, a listing fee, and an NFT minting fee in order to move money from the buyer's wallet to yours. These costs may vary depending on the platform and pricing structure. Because of the volatile nature of cryptocurrency prices, fees may also be subject to change. As a result of this, it is essential to do an in-depth analysis of the expenses associated with the production and sale of your NFT in order to determine whether or not they will be profitable. If you made it to the end of this video and are interested in knowing more, let us know which part of the video you liked the most in the comments section below. We will appreciate your comment and work to make a video on your desired topic with an account shout-out. Please like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to be notified of our next video. Thanks for watching.